working with AutoCAD since 2013, and I just know that if I can draw it in AutoCAD, I can pretty much make it.
So I provide drafting services for interior designers. I find AutoCAD to be one of the most favorite tasks that I do.
AutoCAD is one of the most versatile tools. I find it very intuitive and very helpful and very easy to get the job done.
We use AutoCAD for production drawings, the scenic elements, the lighting, the sound, and really help us to understand what we're putting in.
AutoCAD is the most important program. It's like a common language. I just love AutoCAD.